everybody to my channel. It's Diana. Today I have a really cool thing I want to unbox right in front of you. So before I proceed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and also follow my Facebook page, Fabulous Diana. It's a new page and it's quite a lot of things going on there compared to this YouTube channel because somehow my YouTube channel is not really kicking up yet. But please, your support is everything to me. Thank you so much. Please share my page to your friends, share my YouTube channel to your friends. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna unbox this and you're gonna check out what I'm unboxing. It's really cool, really cool. Check it out. So guys, I really recommend this to you guys because it's really cool. It's really amazing, right? And I tell you, one more thing about it is cableless. You don't even need a cable to operate this. It's just like battery built-in battery. Yeah, and this is really cool. And really, it's retractable fan. You can just bring it as high as I can. Hey, I'm gonna take one shot, Okay, it's not gonna be a video. It's just gonna be a photo so that you can see how tall this thing goes. Where to get this? Okay, where to get this item? You can just go on lazada.com. I will share the link down below. Go ahead and purchase if you need it because it's really good. I like the way, the height. I love the function of this thing. It's amazing. Okay, so that's all for now. And check out my picture. And stay tuned with more video coming up. And thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you all for following my new Facebook page. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye. Ciao.